Uthuthuria wonanitie kuongithia mwana mahinda kwa mahinda ni kunyihanyihagia thina wa kugumirwo ni kansa ya nyondo kuri atumia o hamwe na guteithiriria mwana gukura ari na ugima mwega wa mwiri. Kuringana na Ataramu a ugima wa mwiri thibitari-ini munene wa KENYATTA ni hari bata mwana kuongithio ihinda-ini ria mieri 6 kirumaniririo niguo kumuhotithia kurua na mirimu itiganite iria kaingi igumagira ciana nini.
It reduces infection related mortality among infants less than 3 months by 88%.
Thibitari uyu oho ni uruguritie handu hari aruti a wira guku mangihota kuongithiria ciana ciao. Urugamiriri wa thibitari uyu ukiuga kurugurio guku guguteithiriria ciana gukura na njira iria yagiriire na ningi aciari ao mahote gutwarithia mihango ya wira matari na wagagu.
I was so worried about where I will express my milk. Then my friend introduced me to that room, and I can say that it really helped. I was able to give my baby up to 6 months.
Universal breastfeeding could prevent deaths of about 823,000 children every year.
Mihango ino etwarithirio na mbere riri thi yothe inyitanire gukungwira kiumia gia kuongithia ciana, undu uria uhanikaga oro mwaka kuria aciari mari na ciana moritio gutigirira ni mongithia ciana icio na njira ya uigiririki.
Have also allowed breastfeeding mothers to utilize their annual leave after they have finished their maternity leave. Now this ensures that mothers leave their babies when they are almost weaned, which is indeed a good thing, for it gives the mothers some peace as they report back to work.
Kuringana na riboti ya ndari igi ugima wa mwiri ya mwaka wa 2022 yonanitie gicunje kia 35 hari igana ya ciana nini inyuaga iria kuhitukira minyonyi.
Us to work with some peace of mind knowing that you're still providing for your baby even when you're apart, because as you come to work you move from breastfeeding every 2 hours to a break of probably 6 to 8 hours sometimes. So it gives us a chance and peace knowing that you're still providing for your baby exclusively even when you're away from work.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.